Hello everyone, it's your favorite realtor, Erica Hernandez with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, Gary Green. I hope you had a fantastic weekend and I know you had a great time watching the Astros take the win. I hope you had an amazing weekend just like I did. So it's back to Monday and back to my Monday videos, and I'm going to be doing something a little different today. Normally, most of my content is for buyers. I truly love first-time home buyers because they really don't know anything, and by the time we're done, they learn so much. I am the best person for the job since I did used to be a teacher. This is so easy for me. I really enjoy doing it. Today, I'm talking to my sellers, my already home owners. The topic for today is information from county appraisal districts incorrect? If you'd like to learn the answer to this question, please stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Erica Houston Realtor on Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram, and go to my website at www.ericahoustonrealtor.com. Alright guys, let's get started with this video. So it is almost the end of October, and I know starting in November, you guys are going to start getting your tax bills in the mails. Hence, the thumbnail that I put today is checking your mail. Guys, when you get these tax bills, I want you to pay very close attention to them. Most of us have a mortgage on a home. Normally, we just look at the tax bill, put it away, because the bank actually does pay the taxes for us because we do escrow. For the most part, most of us do escrow every month towards taxes. Unless you decided not to escrow, then you are getting your tax bill and you really are looking at it and finding more information on where to go to pay. One of the most important numbers that I want you to look at is the value of your home. I want you to see how big of a jump you got from year to year. That way you're tracking the taxes every single year. And also, I want you to pay close attention to where the taxes are going. All this information is in your tax records. For example, if you're paying $5,000 a year in taxes, it will tell you what portion of that is going to maybe schools, hospitals, mud taxes, any other taxes on your tax record, and you will see where your money is going. So I want you to pay close attention to that as well. The real reason I'm making this video today is because recently I've worked with a ton of sellers. The minute a seller calls me that they want to list their home, I go into the taxing district for that address. Once I find the tax records, I'm able to see what information they have. Oftentimes, the square footage and the number of bedrooms and bathrooms are incorrect. If you guys are not paying attention to this because you're so overwhelmed with everything else, this year I encourage you to look at this information. When you're looking at this information, if it does not match what you already know about the home, for example, let's say you bought the home and you still have all the information from the builder. Most of us don't remember exactly what square footage we bought our home if it's been a couple of years now. I encourage you guys to look through your builder docs, everything you signed when you bought the home, to make sure that the county doesn't have the wrong information. Why is this also important? Because if the taxing district is showing that your home is actually bigger than it really is, that may mean that you're paying taxes on a bigger amount. If anything is incorrect, you guys are free to call me and ask me what you should do. But for the most part, if there are any corrections to be made, you can go to your taxing district website and find information on how to protest or correct information that's already on there. To be honest, I don't know where these districts get their information from, but oftentimes I do see that there is a discrepancy between the actual square footage of a home and what the county district has on their tax records. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I am going to leave you with one more thing. When you close on a home, whether it was with me or without me, shame on you if it was without me, what I want you to do is when you get a piece of mail that you're not very sure about, always contact a realtor to ask them, what do you think about this? If you ever get a piece of mail when you move into your new home that asks, what was the amount of money you paid for this home? And maybe it looks like a legitimate paper from the county and it says, we just want to know what you paid for the home. I want you to throw that piece of mail away. Why? If you didn't know, Texas is a non-disclosure state, which means that you do not have to disclose how much you paid for the property. Why would they want to know how much you paid? Yeah, they want to know how much you paid because they want to charge you taxes on that amount. There are 3 different scenarios with homes. Sometimes county appraisals are higher than what your actual home is worth. Sometimes county appraisals is right dead on with the amount that you could sell your home for, or sometimes the county appraisals are lower than what your house is worth. The third scenario is probably the best scenario because you are paying taxes on a lower amount, and we want to keep it that way. We don't want to overexpose too much information to the county because then they will be taxing you on full values. By no means am I a super tax expert, but I have learned enough to get me by and to help out my buyers and sellers with any questions they have. For more information, I want you to look at your county appraisal district website or any other information. Just go right to the county appraisal district office. But I did want to give you guys these quick tips today. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. I hope you enjoy your week, and I can't wait to see you on my next video.